So hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to learn how to create partition on Windows 10 or 11. It's the same process on both Windows, so let's begin. So just click on Windows icon and select File Explorer and click on this PC. You must be clear about which drive you want to make partition or divide. So I'm going to divide the speed drive F, as you can see here. It is of 119 GB and I will make partition of 10 GB. So let's begin. Just click on Windows bar and in the search bar press create and format hard disk partition. Just click on it. Just open. It takes some time. Okay, finally it's open. And now we are going to select the drive. As you can see, the drive is here, the speed drive F. Just click on it and simply right click on it, and among these options select shrink volume. And as it is open, as I want to make a partition of 10 GB and I know the exact value of 10 GB in MB, that is 10240 MB. But if you don't know about the amount of MB that you want to make partition, then I give you the link in description to convert a GB into MB and you can check from there. So I'm entering the value 10240, but I will enter some more MB. I will add some more MB so that it becomes more better. So I'll add extra 10 MB, that is 10250. So finally it is done, and click on shrink. Okay, and you can see in the disk 2 next to the speed drive F, the 10.01 GB unallocated is presented. So I just right click on it and click on new simple volume, and you can see the wizard is shown. Just next on it, don't interface in it. Just click on next for next 2 times, and among this assign the following drive letter. And as I want to make X, so let's keep it X, and then next. Among this let it be default, and if you want to change the name from here you can change. As I want to make the name elements, and perform a quick format, right? Just click next and then click on finish. You can see the drive is finally created. And okay, if you want to check, then let's go and check here in this PC, and you can see the drive elements. The partition is of 10 GB and 9.97 GB free, because some healthy partition is also already made for backup. So you can see the drive is fully functional. And thank you for watching. I think you can now create a partition on any drive using this method. Subscribe us for more content like this.